Most people aren't tired. They're drained by giving too much of themselves to everyone. In a quiet village lived a man named Evan. Evan had only one weakness. He couldn't say no. If someone needed help, he ran. If someone called him, he stopped everything. If someone borrowed something, he gave it instantly. People loved Evan, not because they respected him, but because he was always available. Day by day, Evan felt tired. His dreams unfinished. His goals ignored. His time never his own. Everyone needed something from him, but nobody ever asked, "Evan, do you need something?" One evening, after helping 5 people back to back, Evan sat alone on a small hill. He looked at the sunset and whispered, "I'm always there for everyone. But why is no one here for me?" An old farmer walked by and noticed Evan's sadness. He sat beside him and said, "Son, water the plants too much, and they die." Evan didn't understand. The farmer continued, "If you give yourself to everyone, you will have nothing left for your own life." For the first time, Evan realized he wasn't being kind. He was being used. He was not helping people. He was escaping confrontation. So he made a decision. From today, I will not be available for everyone. I will be available for myself first. The next day he began small. When someone asked for help, he asked himself first, "Do I have the time? Will this hurt my goals? Am I being respected?" If the answer was no, he simply said, "Not today." Some people got angry, some felt offended, some called him selfish. But Evan learned something important. When you stop serving people's comfort, they reveal their true feelings. Weeks passed, and Evan became stronger, calmer, and focused. He finally worked on his own dreams. He protected his peace. And the best part, the right people stayed, the wrong people left. If you give your time to everyone, you will lose yourself. Your life is precious. Your time is limited. Your energy is sacred. Say yes to your dreams. Say yes to your peace. Say yes to your goals. And learn to say no to people who only need you when it's convenient, because you deserve a life where you matter too.